It has always been a little confusing to select the perfect programming language. We have carried out rigorous surveys and come up with a list of the top 5 programming languages for 2022. At number 5, we have PHP. PHP being rather old, PHP maintains its might in web development. Believe it or not, but a total of 21% of developers worldwide are actively using PHP. PHP is a general-purpose scripting language used for web development. It is one of the first server-side scripting languages to get embedded into an HTML code. Companies still use PHP in their web application development. Cast24, Facebook, Wikipedia are a few examples. The average salary of a PHP developer is 80,000 USD, and in India, an average PHP developer earns around 6 to 8 lakhs per annum. At number 4, we have SQL. The humble SQL has been in the IT industry for a while, and it's believed to be around for a few more years. SQL is a structured query language that is built to interact with data storage units like relational databases, and advanced versions of SQL are capable of interaction with the cloud. SQL is still in great demand, and companies like Accenture, Rapido, Dell, Cognizant and NTT Data are actively hiring database, SQL developers and architects. The average salary of an SQL developer is 80,000 USD per annum, and in India, SQL developers earn 10 lakhs per annum on an average. At number 3, we have Java. Java undoubtedly has a broad spectrum of applications and a huge developer community worldwide. The famous repository hosting service, the GitHub, is the home for 3,30,550 repositories and serves as an open source for over 15 million active Java developers round the clock. Java is the most dominating object-oriented programming language currently in use in the IT industry. Java is used for Android development, software development, desktop and mobile application development, big data and much more. Major leading tech giants like Uber, Airbnb, Instagram, Paytm and Google use Java. The average salary of Java developers in the United States is about 100,000 USD per annum, and in India, a Java developer can earn about 12 lakhs per annum. At number 2, we have Python. Python, the constant adversary of Java, the next leading programming language with cutting-edge features and nearly an unlimited range of applications. Python stands as a commendable programming language. Python is a general-purpose, object-oriented and also a scripting programming language. It is a powerful ruler of data analytics and also web development. Intel, IBM, Pixar, Spotify, Razorpay and many leading software companies are in use of Python. The average salary of a Python developer is 125,000 USD, and in India, the average salary of a Python developer is around 10 to 12 lakhs per annum. At number 1, we have JavaScript. JavaScript, the Internet's language, often abbreviated as JS, stands as the segment leader dominating the world of software development. Nearly 65% of the developers' community is dependent on JavaScript. JavaScript is a general-purpose scripting language extensively used for web application development. JavaScript is capable to handle both front-end and back-end and deliver interactive web pages. Major tech giants like PayPal, Netflix, BigBasket and Google use JavaScript. The average salary of a JavaScript developer is 110,000 USD and 8 to 10 lakhs per annum in India. And with that, we have come to an end of this session of top 5 programming languages for 2022. If you have any queries or feel we missed out on anything important, please feel free to let us know in the comment section below. A gentle reminder to leave us your likes and also your subscription to the channel will be appreciated. Thank you for watching. Till next time, stay safe and keep learning.